And it's a shame that we ain't even so close. And I'm drowning in my prison sorrow. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent. Today we're doing Sorrows by Bryson Tiller. And just before we start, I just wanted to highlight that they didn't do this in standard tuning, so it's really hard to get the pitch that's on the song. But this is as close as it gets. I'm sure you will still hear that it's kind of off when you play the song simultaneously to this, like I'm doing, because I don't know the song. But put your capo on fret number 1, and we're basically playing E minor. And I'm drowning in my sorrows. E minor. To C. And I'm drowning in my sorrows. And then there's a guitar in the background that's just going on the first string, open, 2, 3. So that's 2, 3, 2, open on your first string, and then you go to second string and play 3, 1, open, open, 3, 1, open, open. Okay, so that's. See? That's pretty much the whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on that. And then subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.